Hello and welcome to Veterans Marketing Agency, the channel where you can learn about digital marketing tools, trends, tips, and more. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a digital marketing portfolio in 5 easy steps. A digital marketing portfolio is a collection of your best work that showcases your skills and achievements as a digital marketer. It can help you land your dream job, attract new clients, or grow your personal brand. Here are the 5 steps to create a digital marketing portfolio. Step 1. Define your goals and target audience. What do you want to achieve with your portfolio? Who do you want to impress? Your goals and audience will determine the tone, style, and content of your portfolio. Step 2. Choose the best platform for your portfolio. There are many options to create a portfolio website such as WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or Behance. Pick the one that suits your needs, budget, and preferences. Step 3. Select your best projects and case studies. Showcase your most impressive and relevant work that shows your skills and results. Briefly describe each project, the challenges you faced, the solutions you provided, and the outcomes you achieved. Use metrics, testimonials, and visuals to support your claims. Step 4. Add your resume and contact information. Your portfolio should also include a resume that highlights your education, experience, skills, and achievements. Include your contact details, such as your email, phone number, social media profiles, and website link. Step 5. Update and optimize your portfolio regularly. Your portfolio is not a static document, but a dynamic reflection of your growth and development as a digital marketer. Keep it updated with your latest work, achievements, and feedback. Optimize it for SEO, usability, and performance to ensure that it reaches and engages your target audience. That's it for today. You have just learned how to create a digital marketing portfolio in 5 easy steps. If you want to learn more about this topic, check out our detailed blog post on our website veteranspk.com. Thank you for watching this video.